Hello everybody, how are you? How are you all doing? I'm just doing this video to show you how easy it is to clean the hair system. All you need, some cotton balls, some rabbit release and place to put the hair system in it. So, how to clear the hair system? All you need, I'm doing it in one hand, just dab the cotton balls on the hair system. Yeah. When you finish, just put the hair system in here, put it here, spray it with the rabbit release, leave it for a couple of hours. Some people soak it over the night, some people do that a couple of times every 20 minutes. It doesn't really matter. If you do that, your hair system will be cleaned in a couple of hours. If you have any question about the hair system, send me an email on the email down below and I'll see you soon, guys.